right now, and they're in parallel. And any business, I don't care if you're on the retailer side, the producer processor side, if you're leveraging technology in your business, you're going to achieve more rapid growth over the next 5 years. And coupled with that though is the process behind the technology, right? How are you organizing your people to take advantage of the technology? Because if you're not thinking about the people and the process along with the technology, you're ignoring the whole spectrum of how to sell more faster. And whether that's as a retailer with a lot of new data and intelligence you're getting from technologies up here, or on the producer processor side and helping your retailers be more successful. So how you're leveraging technology over the next 5 years, mission critical. Equally mission critical is how you're organizing your processes of how do you sell, how do you do what you do, and that's working on your business, not in your business, which is a great point. Great book, E-Myth by Michael Gerber, for those business owners out there. So there's something to think about, but if you can find a way to weave the technology, the people, and the process all together, you're going to have a distinct competitive advantage here inside of your business.
As